the channel. It's your boy Dylan. So I'm actually in the car right now. I'm in Vancouver. So many things going on, what's happening, but I'm in Vancouver. I'm in a car right now, and it's not just a regular car. It is a Nissan Silvia S15, and I'm with the homie Nick. He was nice enough.
What up?
What up? He was nice enough to take me out for a drive, see what it's like to be in Vancouver, and here we are. Oh, are you showing the viewers some turbo noises? This car is pretty sick. Oh, beautiful. Intake setup on this?
It's just a Apex pod filter.
Okay.
Yeah, with a little adapter to the mouth.
Yeah, I saw the exhaust. HKS?
The exhaust is a Kakimoto.
Oh, Kakimoto. Okay.
Yeah.
That's really good. Yeah, sounds smooth. It's not too raspy like some other SRs. And
yeah, it's a very fine line with SRs, I find.
Really good.
No, this one's pretty good. My buddy he's got an S14 with like a super, it's mega mint.
Yeah.
And he's like so anal by it. He gets like one little scratch on some random interior piece and he goes to Nissan and buys a new one.
Wow.
I just installed the pod filter, so it's new to have turbo noises for me. So I'm like brake boosting everywhere,
and just playing around with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's so fun.
What was I gonna say? Oh, I don't know if I told you, I'm having a detonation issue, real bad. So I can pretty much only go like probably I'd say 40% throttle, maybe 30 in this heat. That's why I'm kind of gingerly driving.
Yeah, got you.
I've changed fuel pump, fuel filter, done different ignition coils, 2 different heat ranges of spark plugs.
Injectors?
Injectors is next, but that's why I've got this, because I'm hoping that'll help tell the story.
Ooh. There's the turbo.
It moves when you get into it.
Yeah, it really moves. Oh man, it's crazy. You really were doing 30%.
Yeah, oh for sure. Yeah, you can hear the detonation there, but gotta give it one hit.
That's the thing, like if you live here, you can just go for drives like this.
Yeah, for sure. And because the rock face is right here, I love brake boosting on it.
Oh man. Taking a break. Let's see who drives. Out here catching some views in Vancouver. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hope I can climb this. Ooh. Pretty high up here. Step. Amazing. Really good spot.
Yeah man, everyone seems to kind of get their own little
spot to chill. Yeah, exactly. It's cool. So we're actually gonna head out. We're gonna look for some meetup spots to find other cars while also looking around the city. So what you mean by bikers?
Yeah, there we got our first one. He's
first biker
out here late. And especially around certain corners, you got to be careful right-hand drive, because I can't see that.
Exactly.
And they'll often like, "What are you doing? Why are you waiting? Are you an idiot?"
I feel you.
I'm just like, no, I can't see around the corner.
So good.
Yeah, and these tires, like, that's like 4 out of 10 maybe. Like, these tires have so much grip. 8008Rs.
Yeah, Yokohama.
And once you get them up to temp too, and then you drive on like any sort of normal road, it just sounds like you're driving on like a gravel pit or something. It just throws up everything.
Like the rocks. Yeah, got you.
So sticky.
Always puts up a smile on your face. Oh boy.
I'm surprised the 8008s chirped.
Yeah, with the amount of grip that you have.
Yeah, they've got so much grip.
I'm telling you, this car actually pulls hard. Some people always say like, oh, I don't want a 4-cylinder. They want like a V6 or inline six, more torque, whatever, but still gets the job done. Get an outdoor look of this Silvia S15. You can see on the headlight right there. Beautiful. Kakimoto exhaust. Man, shout out to the homie Mick. Really grateful for this opportunity. Spec car. Nice view. I like the gauges though, orange. It's just like the 350Z and like the G35.
That's right.
And that boost gauge blue right there is pretty cool.
Yeah, bright as all hell. Yeah, I think I really like these AEM gauges. I think they're really good quality.
Yep.
But I don't mind the blue.
Alright squad, so I'm on the way home in the mean streets of Vancouver. Shout out to Nick, man. Appreciate it, bro. This guy gave me the opportunity to show me around town, check out his S15. Like, I appreciate that. Like, this is our first time meeting up, and like, he was just cool. He was just cool with it. Wanted me to have fun on this trip in Vancouver, so I really appreciate people like that. Shout out to Nick. Go give him a follow. And yeah. So like I said in the video, we were trying to look for a meetup. It's a Friday night. We were trying to look for a car meet. Unfortunately, we didn't find any. We just ended up chilling, talking about cars, talking about life. Really chill dude. I'm really happy for this opportunity. I still enjoyed it. And here we are in Vancouver. Life is good. So thankful for that experience. I will get back to you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.